Greetings to everyone. Welcome to everyone. This is our first class. In this first class, before starting teaching corner, I want to tell one thing that if you are going to be start this journey for the UPSC, so you need to follow two things. First things you will follow, that is a discipline corner. Second things you need to follow, that is a consistency corner. If you are able to follow these two corners, definitely you will get your right position in right time. As I told you before starting that UPSC teaching corner, we need to understand syllabus first and how many stages you will follow in UPSC examination. That things we are going to be discuss here. UPSC, as you know, UPSC means Union Public Service Commission. It is an organization. That organization is going to be conduct your UPSC examination. In UPSC examination, you will follow first stage. It means you are going to face first stage. In first stage, you are going to face as a prelims examination. Prelims examination, in prelims examination, how many papers you will face, that things we are going to be discuss. Here you will face first paper, that is a calling GS first. Somewhere there is a written GK and GS. GK means general knowledge, GS means general studies. Don't be confused. GK and GS. After this paper, you will face another paper, that is a GS second. GS second is also known as CSET. Very important paper. CSET. In GS first, you will collect here 200 marks and you will spend the time here 2 hours and you will face here only 100 questions. 100 questions you will face. In CSET, you will get here 200 marks. 200 marks and you will spend the time 2 hours and you will face here only 80 questions. 80 questions. It means when you will qualify this exam, after qualifying this exam, you will enter in next stage. That next stage is a mains examination. Mains examination you will face here. First, you will face here qualifying papers. Here you will face two paper. Two paper you will face. Each paper 300 marks and you will spend the time 3 hours. You will spend the time here 3 hours. 3 hours one paper. Here you will face two paper. Two paper means 3 to the 600 marks and 3 to the 6 hours. After qualifying this paper, you will face another one paper, that is a essay writing. One paper 3 hours 250 marks. One paper 3 hours 250 marks. After this you will face here another, that is a again GK and GS corner. There is a 4 paper you will face here. Somewhere there is a written GS first paper, GS second paper, GS third paper and GS fourth paper. GS first, second, third, fourth paper you will face here, and here you will get 4 paper. You will get the time here 3 hours each paper and you will collect the marks, 250 marks here. And after completing this paper, there is a next, you will face again 2 paper. There is a optional papers. In optional papers, there is a 2 papers you will face, 2 papers, 250 marks each paper, and 3 hours for the each papers. So overall 2 paper here, 4 paper here, 2 4 6 paper, 6 1 7 paper, here 2 paper, 9 papers. 9 papers, these all papers you will face as a descriptive. It means writing, this all paper you will write, okay. This is a theoretical, we can consider writing papers, okay. No problem, don't worry, God is there, I am here, so don't fear, my dear, okay. After completing this stage, next, that is a final stage, final round you will face here, that is a personality test. Personality test also you can consider as a interview. So interview alone you will face here 275 marks. All stages I already explained. Some things, some corner we will discuss when we will start our teaching corner. So now we are going to be start our teaching corner. How many chapters are there? How many topics are there? So this syllabus like as a ocean. You know na, if I will tell you what is the amount of water in ocean, then you can measure? No. We can assume, but we can't measure the amount of the water in the ocean. Same here also. This is a like as a ocean, but don't worry, we will face it and we will win. We will follow the discipline and consistency rule, and we will get the right position in right time.